This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luanne Brennan. This 1,905 square feet home, located in a very desirable neighborhood of Fairfield Glade, offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a split floor plan design and open living concept. The living room has a gas log fireplace along with laminate floors. The screened-in porch has been converted into a sunroom with all new windows and a separate heating unit that allows you to use this space all year long. The backyard has a cozy stone patio that makes for a great space for a fire pit. This home needs a few updates, so come and see it and make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Luanne Brennan at 931-707-2100.